Is your very cheap Chinese power supply making this noise? Never fear, there is an answer. This one does get better. It starts to get better and then it fades out. But I'm still gonna fix it. My lighting isn't very good in here, so you're gonna have to bear with me. First thing to do is turn the bloody thing off. Now, if you turn it off with the power, the output's still going. That's probably the best way I know to drain some of the energy inside. Come on, you bastard. What you've got to bear in mind is there's going to be live components in this that are still charged to 240 volts, so it's going to be very, very good, isn't it? Very interesting, especially if you're touching with your tongue. I've got some improvised lighting that you can't see, but it's there. It's shit, but I'm going to use my non-insulated screwdriver, but it really doesn't matter at this stage. We'll keep away from the 240 volts if we can anyway. Take the case off, look inside and think, where don't I touch? Here you've got, oh, I need an insulated thing. Oh, I got one, an insulated screwdriver. I've never really bothered with it. Shall I use tweezers? They're all metal. So here you've got your transformer, you've got a nice big heat sink there. They're the ones that are going to really hurt. 240 volt. They've probably still got some charge in them. They've probably got charge in them. Anyway, here you've got your shunt. I wonder if I can modify it. I might have a look at that at a later date. Anyway, here's the culprit. So what we've got to do is get that out. So you see these screws here, 4 screws, undo those. You don't need an insulated screwdriver, but you really do need to keep your fingers out of the components inside. You see, you've got components here. This is 120 volts, so this is going to be a live area. We've got 3 of the 4 screws out, so we'll take the 4th of the 4 screws. Note in which direction the fan actually sits. It's an exhaust fan, is it? It's not an exhaust fan. It's actually a sucky fan. It's a simple job of, you take the sticker off the back, which is made by fengshang.com. Is the sticker made by fengshang.com or the actual fan? In there you've got a bearing. I've got some old engine oil here. I'm going to get my screwdriver, dip it in the old engine oil, spill it everywhere like I've just done, and then I'm going to do that. And we'll work it in there. Really nice like that, and we'll get just a dab more. Hopefully this doesn't spew out into the components. You don't want to fill it up too much. Put the sticker back on. That goes like that, and then we put that one screw back in. Let's just make sure we've got it the right way. Yes, just make sure that your scrolls line up, so you can put the rest of the things in without touching any components. You want to leave this for 10 minutes with the label sticking upwards like that to let the oil get in. You know, this is Thailand. I've got no money, so I have to be creative. Then we put this on. It says here, non-professional charging equipment, please use it under human condition. Screws all back in. Why have I got so many glasses? What do I need them for? So there you go. That's the easy way of fixing the fan. Well, the other way, the alternative is, I suppose, the hammer job, which sometimes I really do want to give it that treatment. I can put this bloody fan back on there. Oh, God, it's hot today. But it's Thailand. It's always hot here. And you know, I've had a Chinese company want to send me a heater. Anyway, another one off the list.